Hello students, welcome. Today we will learn about the third property of geometric mean. So let's start. Well, the property states that if y is a function of a variable x in the form y equals to ax, then geometric mean of y is related to that of x in a similar form. So let's start with the proof. Firstly, geometric mean of x equals to gx. Geometric mean of y is represented as gy. It is already given that yi equals to axi for I equals to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Because we are doing geometric mean, we are familiar with pi. In geometric mean, it shows the product of the variables. So, in the next step, we will apply pi on the equation yi equals to axi. Then we will get, so after applying pi on both the sides, we get pi I equals to 1 to n, yi equals to pi I equals to 1 to n, axi. So if we break the right hand side of this equation, we will get pi I equals to 1 to n axi, which will give us ax1 times ax2 times but up to axn. Now in the next step, we will take all the a's together, which will give us a to the power n times, and now we take all the x together in product form, which will give us pi xi. Therefore, we have broken down the right hand side of the equation into this form. So in the next step, we will write pi I equals to 1 to n yi, and here we will substitute the value which we have already got before. I will write it over here like this. Well, we know that there is nth root in the formula of geometric mean, so we will put bracket to the power 1 by n in the following equation and on both the sides of the equation. So we will follow like this: pi I equals to 1 to n yi whole to the power 1 divided by n equals to e to the power n times pi I equals to 1 to n xi whole to the power 1 by n. Now in the next step, we will write the left hand side of the equation as it is. There is no change. But on the right hand side, we will segregate these two values and put 1 by n to each of them like this: a to the power n for 1 by n multiplied by pi I equals to 1 to n xi whole to the power 1 by n. Now in the next step, we will write the left hand side of the equation as geometric mean of y or gy, and on the right hand side we will cancel out the n's, which will give us a, and now we will substitute this value, which will give us g of x or geometric mean of x. Therefore, we prove that g of y is equals to a times g of x. So, y was related to x in y equals to ax form, and similarly, geometric mean of y is related to that of geometric mean of x in a similar form. That gives us g of y equals to a times g of x. Hope you all have understood this property of geometric mean. If yes, drop a like.